Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw lost primos wearing their sombrero hats from Steel Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the left hand side, and we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down towards the bottom. We're going to flip across, lining this up at the same height, and we're going to replicate that on the right, leaving a gap in the middle. Now on the bottom, let's draw this diagonal line coming out towards the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the left hand side, we're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the top. On the top now from here, stepping out slightly, we're going to curve this line over, connecting that, stretching that further out. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's move back. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming out. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this line up towards the top. This is just going to close off the shape of the head. Now let's move in and draw that. So leaving quite a big gap on the top, we're going to leave a smaller gap on the bottom. We're going to draw another diagonal line as we come right through in the center. And then we're going to pull this through behind with another diagonal line. Now moving up in the center for the nose, we're just going to draw in two straight lines coming up towards the top. And then we'll flatten this out with a straight line. Now let's draw on the eyes. So stepping beside this, we're going to draw in a nice big circle on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Let's move in towards the top left. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for that highlight. And then moving across on the opposite eye, let's just replicate that again. Let's move down on a diagonal, replicating that again, making that smaller. And then now let's just color in those pupils black. Now right in the middle for the mouth, we're going to step down slightly, drawing in a straight line across on the left. We'll connect this together with a nice big arch line. And then in the opposite direction, we're just going to curve this across for the tongue. On the right hand side in the middle, we're going to curve this line up towards the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now let's draw in those sombreros. So stepping over, we're going to curve this line up towards the top. Just making sure to leave a gap right in the middle. We're going to come down behind, curving this back up and through towards the side of our page. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line out, dipping this down slightly as we come through on that diagonal. Let's add the pattern in the center. So we're going to step down and we're going to replicate that. So we're just going to follow that line on the very, very top across. Let's move down again, replicating that. Now in this strip we've created in the middle, essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to draw in a zigzag pattern like this as we come the whole way across. We'll try and even that out as best as we can. It does not have to be perfect. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's close off the top of the sombreros now. So on the top here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the same on the left. And then from that top line, we're just going to round this out, curving this around and back down on the back. Let's move up, curving this line across to create a little strip there. And then let's do the same moving up, replicating that 2 more times. Let's move down for the body. So stepping in, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. And then we're going to pull this back through on a diagonal. Let's pull this line back up towards the head. Let's close off the arm. Let's move over to the outside. We're going to start on the side of the head, curving this back around and in. Now let's move over. So we're going to start on the outside ledge here. We're going to bring this line down, in, back down. We'll do the exact same thing on the far right, out, in, back down. We're going to pull this back on a diagonal. And then now from that point, we're just going to pull this back up towards that arm. Where the corner is here, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Now from that edge on the top and the bottom, a straight line coming across. This is going to be the front of our foot. Let's flatten that out. Let's pull that back in. And then we'll flatten this out, bringing this through towards the top. Now from edge to edge, pulling that across. We'll do the exact same thing as we come down. And then we'll pull that back through on a diagonal. Now let's move across. Another straight line coming down. We're just going to make this one slightly shorter. We're going to bring this line in. So we're going to step in, bringing this down, across, and out. Down, across, and back down. Closing that off on a diagonal. Let's step up. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines across. And then let's flatten that out on the side again. Let's pull that line back in. And then we'll pull this back through towards the top. Now from corner to corner, bringing that over. Moving down again on the bottom, closing off the sole of the shoe. And then we're just going to pull that back through on a diagonal to finish that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Lost Primos wearing sombreros. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.